Name of subject Energy Conservation and Audit, that is ECA. This is third year subject. Subject code is 22525. Semester EE5S. Branch Electrical. And name of the topic of today's lecture is role of BEE, that is Bureau of Energy Efficiency, and MEDA, that is Maharashtra Energy Development Agency, and myself DP Sonone from Electrical Department. In the last lecture, we have seen the definition of energy conservation and different audits taken in industries. Now, today's topic of the lecture is, that is Bureau of Energy Efficiency, BEE. The Bureau of Energy Efficiency is the agency of Government of India under the Ministry of Power created in the March 2002 under the provision of the nation's 2001 Energy Conservation Act. The agency's function is to develop the program which will increase the conservation and efficiency of India. The government has proposed to make it mandatory or compulsory to certain appliances in India to have a rating by Bureau of Energy Efficiency starting in January 2010. The mission of BEE, that is Bureau of Energy Efficiency, is to institutionalize the energy efficiency service, enable the delivery mechanisms in the country, and provide the leadership to the energy efficiency in the all sectors of the country. The primary objective to reduce the energy intensity in the economy. That is the primary objective of BEE, that is Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Now, the role of BEE. The BE coordinates with the designated consumers, agencies, and organizations and recognize identity and utilize the existing resources and infrastructure in the performing functions assigned to it under the Energy Conservation Act 2001. And this act provides regulatory and promotional functions. Now, the regulatory functions of BE are develop the regulatory functions means the functions of authority which are provided to the BE. The functions are develop the minimum energy performance standards and labeling designs for equipment and appliances, to develop the specific energy conservation building codes, activities focusing on the designated consumer, to develop the specific energy consumption norms, certify energy managers and energy auditors, accredit energy auditors, define the manner and periodicity of mandatory energy audits, develop the reporting formats on the energy consumption and action taken on the recommendation on the energy auditors. Whatever the recommendation provided by the energy auditors, the action taken plan by the BEE, that is BEE. Now the promotional functions. The promotional functions are, that is communicate the use of the or the inform about the BE, that is the promotional functions, the that are to create the awareness and disseminate information on energy efficiency and conservation, that is provide the information about the energy efficiency and the conservation by arranging training program of scientists in the techniques efficient use of energy conservation can explain arrange and organize the training and personnel and specialists in the techniques for the efficient use of energy and its conservation, give the attention toward the consultancy services in the field of energy conservation, strengthen the consultancy services in the field of energy conservation, develop the testing and certification procedure and promote the facilities to formulate and facilitate implementation of pilot projects and demonstration projects by making and implementing the projects, encourage to use the energy efficient processes, procedures, equipments, devices and the system by which we can conserve the energy, take the step of to encourage the preferable treatment for use of energy efficient equipment or the appliances. By encouraging or by doing this energy conservation can achieve the more preferably, promote the innovative financing of energy efficiency project by providing the financing to any energy efficiency project and conservation can also be achieved, prepare prepare the educational curriculum on the efficient use of energy and its conservation. By doing this, we can start the energy saving from the media of education, and that will be more effective than the other way because by providing that is function that today's students will know about the importance of energy conservation and the energy conservation can be achieved. Now implement the international cooperation program relating to the efficient use of energy and its conservation. Now the mission of BEE, the mission of BEE, that is the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, is to institutionalize energy efficiency services, enable delivery and mechanisms in the country, and provide the leadership to the energy efficiency in the all sectors of the country. The primary objective would be to improve the energy to the reduce the energy intensity in the economy. These are the mission. This is the main mission of BE, or the broad objectives of BE, that is Bureau of Energy Efficiency, to exert the leadership and provide the policy recommendation on the direction to national energy conservation and efficiency efforts and programs. By means it provide the leadership and give the direction to the energy conservation and energy efficiency efforts, to coordinate energy efficiency and conservation policies and programs and take it to the stakeholders. The policies and programs of the energy conservation should be coordinated with the stakeholders, established systems and procedures to measure, monitor, and verify the energy efficiency and results in the individual sectors as well as the macro levels. The mode, a system, and the procedures to measure, the monitor, and the verify the results. Leverage multilateral, bilateral, and the private sector support in the implementation of Energy Conservation Act efficiency use of energy, efficient use of energy and the conservation programs. To demonstrate delivery of energy efficiency services as the mandated in the Energy Conservation Bill through the private-public partnerships, to giving the demonstration of energy efficiency energy conservation bill through the private partnership, to interpret, plan, and manage energy conservation programs as envisaged in the Energy Conservation Act objectives, to develop the manage the programs of energy conservation, provide the policy and recommendation and direction to national energy conservation activities, coordinate policy and programs on the efficient use of energy with the shareholders, establish systems and the procedures to verify, measure, and monitor energy efficiency implement. These are the objectives of the BE. The bureau would obtain the input and co-op expertise from the private sector, non-governmental organization, research institutes, and the technical agencies. Now the Maharashtra Energy Development Agency, that is MEDA. According to MEDA, the MEDA registered as a society under the Societies Registration Act. The MEDA, the Maharashtra has installed capacity 6,959 megawatt from the renewable energy projects on 31 March 2016, and MEDA the concentrated over the generation from the renewable energy sources. By considering the importance of generation of electricity from the new and the renewable energy sources, MNRE declared the target for the installation about the 175 electricity generation projects in India to the 2022. The MEDA has promoting the off-grid resector as well, along with the grid-connected power generation. Now, according to MEDA, that is Maharashtra Energy Development Agency, has undergone the organizational restructuring from the largely rural standalone system oriented organization to a significant player in the field of generation of power from the renewables, the generation of power from the environment friendly resources, and become the main focus. To undertaken this onerous responsibility, MEDA has positioned itself as an organization with through the financial and the human capabilities having the professional organization restructure. We have to also undertake the extensive human resources development activities and have to created a modern working environment from our staff. Here the different objectives of MEDA, that is Maharashtra Energy Development Agency, that are promote, develop, and implement the non-conventional renewable and alternate energy devices and technologies, to take the concrete step for the conventional energy conservation measures in the industries, commercial establishment, and domestic sectors, assists the government of India and government of Maharashtra in the renewable energy programs and implementation, evolve suitable alternatives and meet the burgeoning energy demand, installed the demonstration power projects with the own investment to the instill confidence in the new entrants and the private in sector investors. Pursue the power project based upon the renewable energy with the large scale private investments in the commerciality and viability viable projects by creating the suitable policy environment, information dissemination and the public awareness through the training programs, publications, exhibitions, seminars and conferences, support large scale distribution and marketing of standalone renewable energy devices by participating in the field viability and commercialization exercise through the innovative financing mechanism and creating the investment opportunities. These are the objectives of MEDA, that is Maharashtra Energy Development Agency. Thank you.